Hello everyone, in my last video I have discussed some application about your trigonometric table. We have used our trigonometric table in solving some problem from your textbook. Today again I have taken different type of problems from your textbook, from your MBOSE textbook. So let me just see question number 10, number 1. I have taken this number. So if you can look at this question, what they have said. Sin 2x is equal to sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30. Again, you have to find out the value of x only here. This is the continuation of question number 9. I have done in my last video. So you have to find out your x. So let me do the solution for this. Solution. Let's see what is given first. It is given that sin 2x is equal to how much? Sin 60 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Now, what you will be doing in the next slide? You know your trigonometric table. You know the value of sin 60, cos 30, cos 60 and sin 30. You know these values, you kindly put it down. So let's see what is going to happen next. So it will be sine of 2x. Sine of 2x is equal to how much? What is sine 60? Root 3 by 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. I am using my trigonometric table. What is cos 60 degree? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Because your sine 30 is 1 by 2. So after you finish to use your trigonometric table for your sine 60, cos 30, cos 60 and sine 30, we got this expression. After we finish to get this expression, what you have to do next? What you do is that you try to simplify it. Let us do the simplification. So this implies your sine 2x is equal to how much? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. What does this imply? This implies that your sine of 2x is equal to how much? Your LCM is 4, 3 minus 1. So how much you are going to get next? Sine of 2x is equal to 2 by 4. You got sine of 2x is equal to 2 by 4. You can see, now you look here, this is a fraction, this is even, this is even. I can divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So how much you are going to get? Your sine of 2x is equal to 1 by 2. You got your sine of 2x is equal to 1 by 2. Since it is the continuation of question number 9, you have to find out x. Solve for x is given. You have to find out your x. So in order to find out your x, now this type of problem we have already done in my last video. So let us do it. This implies sine of 2x is equal to how much? Go back to your trigonometric table. When you go back to your trigonometric table, at what value you will be getting sine of some 30 or 60 must be equal to 1 by 2. If you look your trigonometric table, what you know, your sine of 30 is 1 by 2 from your trigonometric table. Now see, use that formula, sine A is equal to sine B. I have discussed in my last class. Sine A is equal to sine B. Your A must be equal to B, so your 2x must be equal to 30 degrees. So what does this imply? This implies that your 2x must be equal to how much? It must be equal to 30 degree. So this implies how much is your x? Your x equal to 30 by 2. So how much you will be getting? X equal to 15 degree, which is the required answer. I hope so this problem, it is okay for you. Now, let me take one more problem. That is your question number 12. And this type of problem, usually they ask for your MBOSE exam. Okay, in the board exam, usually they ask this type of problem. This is very important number. This is very important number. question number 12, if you can just see what is given. It's given that if A is equal to 30 degree, verify that I have taken two numbers, sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A. And the second thing you have to verify is sine of 3A is equal to 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Let me teach you how to solve this type of problem. Actually, there are 5 questions are given in your textbook. I just selected the 2 so you can try from your textbook or the numbers also. So let me just show you one number out here. I will be showing you question number 4. Question number 1 is very simple. Once you know how to do question number 4, you can easily solve question number 1. So I will be giving you the solution of question number 4. So let us see. Question number 4, what you have to verify? They have asked you to verify that sine of 3A is equal to 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. So how to start? Let's see. For A is equal to how much? A is equal to 30 degree. For A equal to 30 degree, what is your left hand side? If you look here, what is your left hand side? Your left hand side is sine of 3A. So it will become sine 3A. Now you put on the value of A, it will become sine 3 into 30 degree. So how much is that? Sine of 90 degree. What is your sine 90? Go back to your trigonometric table. What is the value of sine 90? Sine 90 is 1. So you have finished to calculate your left hand side. Now what I'll be doing is that they ask you to verify that LHS equal to RHS. Now I will be taking my right hand side. So let us do your right hand side. What is your RHS? If you can look, your RHS is how much? It is 3 sine A. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Put down the value of A to be equal to 30 degree. So it will become 3 sine 30 degree minus 4 into sine cube 30 degree. Now let us do the simplification next. Let's try to simplify it. So when we simplify this, how much will we get? Use your trigonometric table. 3 is 3. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. Minus 4 is 4. What is your sine 30? 1 by 2. But if you look here, cube is here. So you put whole thing cube. So how much is this? This is 3 by 2 minus 4 into 1 cube is 1. And 2 cube is how much? 2 cube is 8. So you can cancel it here. 1 times 2 times 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So how much you are going to get? You got 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. You got 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now you try to simplify it. When you simplify it, how much you got? LCM is 2. 2 and 2, LCM will become 2. And in the numerator, it will become 3 minus 1. How much is that? 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. If you look here, right hand side you got it as 1. Right hand side you got it as 1. Okay? And what was your left hand side? Left hand side also you got it as 1. So you got left hand side equal to 1, right hand side equal to 1. So what you can say? LHS equal to RHS. Next line. Next line you can do. Therefore LHS is equal to how much? RHS, and this is proved. So I hope so you are okay with this problem. So in my next video I will be going to your identity relation. Okay, I will be going to your identity relation. Before that I might be solving another 1 or 2 type of problem is left for your trigonometric table. Okay, so I will conclude my class here and meet you in the next video. Okay then, thank you so much.